Hey you guys, this is Black and Blue, and I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get into today's cash stuffing. Let's go. This is Black and Blue, go ahead. What's the crime? An attempt to watch and not subscribe? Yep, that's a crime. Friends don't let friends watch and not subscribe. So, come on, let's get into the video. 2 times in a row. That landed well. All right, we have a cash stuffing video today, and I'm pretty positive this is going to be a pretty quick video because we're doing a cash stuffing and I have nothing to unbox. I have nothing to show you guys. I did want to show you guys the 100 envelope, not 100 envelope. I always want to call it that, but I was going to show you guys the denominations binder that I'll be releasing because I told you guys it's going to be like, if you guys know what mine looks like, it looks like this from my savings challenge videos where you save the denominations. And I'm going to be, I can't even close it anymore. I'm going to be unstuffing it this month. And when I do unstuff it, that video, that day it uploads, it will be, I get fingertip moistener. It will be available on my shop. But I am releasing a new binder color that I did not release with those binders when they came out, the sweater weather binders on my site. So I'm excited. We have a new color and a little tweak to the binder. And it's I think it's a cool tweak. So some of you guys might be able to guess what it is based on recent events. But I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I think I'll show that in next Wednesday's savings challenge video. If you're watching this, know that I'll probably be showing it then so you guys can see what it looks like so that when it does become available, you'll know if you want it or not. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. Well, how many denominations do we have here? Right there. 600, 50, 700, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 360, 70, 80, 95, 400, 1400, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 1500 is how much we are stuffing. That bill looks wonky. We're stuffing 1500 today. We're going to be cash stuffing with our paycheck. We're going to be doing our bills binder and then our wallet categories. And then the money left over, we are going to save and stuff in Wednesday's savings challenge video. I did tell you guys that I was going to be doing on Monday a savings challenge on stuffing. I do need to do that video. I really do. But I'm going to hold off because I do have an unboxing. It's an advent calendar unboxing on Monday, and it's going to be so exciting. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know exactly what's in there, but the box is massive, so that's going to be super fun. It is a small business here in our community, so I'm excited. So these are our bills, and I am stuffing, what day is it? I'm stuffing these bills right here, and we've already stuffed half of the amount that we need in these bills. So for my mortgage, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 10, 15. We have 615. That's half of what I owe. So we're going to stuff the second half now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. And I need 15. That's going to make 30. So I'm just going to grab this 20 and put this 5 back. If I didn't have to pay a mortgage, I would be rich. No, seriously. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1000, 1, 200, 20, 30. Perfect. When I first moved in, when I first purchased my home, I seriously paid every month $995. It was amazing to have to, well, I was going to say stuff, but I mean, yeah, to have to only pay less than $1,000. Those are the days, but it goes up every year. Home ownership, I was going to say, me and my friends always say this, home ownership is ghetto. That's so funny. But no, it is what it is. I am happy I own my home, so we'll leave it at that. My HOA is what I pay every month as well. And right now in here I have 115. I need another 100. 100. I'm going to add a 20 and replace this 5, just like we did in our mortgage, for $230. 51, 5200, 20, 30. Perfect. Perfecto. Okay, and then we have our, oh, ComEd. We're getting used to these winter bills. So right now I have 120 in here, and I still have not gotten the bill to find out just how much this is, but I'm gonna go ahead and we have 120. I'm gonna do 20, 40, 60. Let's do 160. It shouldn't be more than that. It should not be more than 160. I'm erring on the side of caution here. It should not be. We'll see. I'll let you know. And then my gas bill is always really low. I added 25. Let's add another 25 in here just so that we have 50, so that just in case, because it's been 28-ish dollars. I think the last one might have been 30, but it's still around that marker, or it has been anyways. So let's keep hoping that it stays at that point, because I'm really liking it, really low. But we know the time of year depends on what the bill's gonna be. Yeah. All right. We have our wallet categories now. And before I open this binder, I made this cup on TikTok today, and it was pretty boss. It's a dual lava. It's bomb. It's hard to show you upside down. Or I mean, like when you're facing downward. There's little Valentine's Day hearts that say hug me, be mine, love. It's so cool. I was trying to make this pink, not red. So let me say that. It's so cool though. I'm like, maybe I should make this my savings jar. I keep on changing my savings jar because I just love every one I make. I'm like, oh wait, no, I love this one now. Let's make this my savings jar. Right now I'm using the M&M cup as my savings jar. And that one, I've been making M&M cups back to back. I'm still working on Christmas orders, so it's a good time over here. All right, these are my categories for my wallet. Now, I don't carry this binder with me to pay for everything. I use my credit card, but I lock the amounts that I'm allowed to spend in each category in here. It just helps me. This is my motivation, and it helps me stay more on track. Not something everyone needs to do, especially if you're using a credit card to pay, but this is what's helped me get to where I am right now, so I'm going to keep on doing it. So in groceries, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. So I got 150 here. I thought I was going to go grocery shopping, and I did not. I didn't. So I still need to go grocery shopping. Let's go ahead and 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Mm, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50. Okay, let's do 250. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50. Let's do 250 and hope that's enough. I do need to go grocery shopping. It's just me and my daughter, but with these prices, you never know. You really just never know. Oh my goodness, my daughter. She owes me. I just realized I can hear my heater, but it's freezing in here, so we're going to leave that on. Let's add another 20 for her. And then for me, we're going to add my no spend ends tomorrow. Oh wait, for today. My no spend ends today. I haven't bought anything for myself. I bought business items that I needed to purchase, especially with Black Friday. I didn't really buy anything for Black Friday, but I did have to purchase for my business during that timing. So it was a must, but never mind. I'm not even gonna say that. I'm not even gonna tell you guys. Anyways, for me, 20, 40, 50 for the week. Can't think of anything I need. Everyone's getting sick. Can y'all tell me if any of you guys have gotten sick down below? Because I'm so curious. I'm hearing about the scratchy throat that feels like knives in your throat. And then I've heard about the chest pressure and coughing and how it's lasting for weeks. I was nervous today thinking I was getting sick, but I'm good. But I really thought, and I've been sleeping a lot. I've been working and sleeping. And I just can't seem to get enough sleep, but I'm not sick, but I thought I was getting it. Okay, so this is for gas. Y'all, I've gone like nowhere. I have literally gone nowhere. I don't even think I need to get gas. What's today? The 7th. There's nowhere I need to go, y'all. I promise you. I don't have anywhere I need to go. We've got our miscellaneous already there, so I don't need to stuff this. This is the 100 that I stuffed the first week, and I leave it in there because I shouldn't be spending more than 100, but it's there if I need it. Let's go ahead and just do... I'll stuff this. Usually it's like 42-ish, but I'm gonna stuff it before I get too low, so I'm not gonna need more than 40, but it's there when I need it. Okay, so I have not pulled it out, but I still need to stuff my YouTube paycheck that I just got paid on the 21st of last month. I know I still need to do that, but I'm not putting it here like I had that money before. I'm just gonna pull it when I'm ready to actually stuff it. Okay, and my Monday videos are videos that are at random. It could be a savings challenge on stuffing, a long-term binder stuffing, an unboxing, and with those, I could be making a cup on a Monday video. It's just quite literally whatever I have going on and what I want to record. It's my random days of videos, which I think are fun. But I've got so many videos planned up on my Mondays that I don't know when what's happening is happening. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95. Is that 400 now? I think that was at 300. 400, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Almost 400. Wait, almost 500. That was almost 500. So we got 495. I broke this. I'm so sad about it. Because if I go too far, it's going to be like, bloop. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys for being here. Absolutely. That was a fast video. I said it was going to be fast, and look at me delivering. All right, I'm going to catch you guys on Friday's video, but make sure you're here next week too. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you guys are curious about the denominations binder and the little tweak that I made, it's going to be a launched item in my shop that no one's seen yet. So nobody's seen it, and I can't wait to show you guys. You guys are going to be the first to see it because I love y'all. Not Instagram, not TikTok, but you guys, my OGs. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out of here. Bye.